preview and a lot more stuff. We'll have a look at our hero spots. Thank you so much for all the letters, but we do have a particular hero in mind this week. I expect you can guess who it is. I've had a letter from the chairman of the Wallies in Eltham in London, SE9. Dear Mr. Wright, I'm writing to you on behalf of Wallies. We all love liver scheme, and I wish to put my argument for liver to you. There's a long argument here on why liver should not be stamped out, and, well, I am coming round. I mean, I did actually have some liver and bacon this week, and it wasn't too bad.
Listen to Steve Wright Sunday morning, or...
You can tell me, I'm a doctor.
You'll be forced to eat liver.
Come in.
Hello, I'm Frank Sinatra. Whenever I'm in town, I always tune to Steve Wright in the afternoon. Start spreading the news. I'm wasting away.
In the summertime, when the weather is high, you can stretch right up and touch the sky. When the weather's fine, you got women on your mind. Have a drink, have a drive, go out and see what you can find. If a daddy's rich, take her out for a meal. If a daddy's poor, just do what you feel. Speed along the lane, you a down or a turn of 25. When the sun goes down, you can make it good and live by. We're always happy, lives we live in, yeah, that's our philosophy. Sing along with us, dee-dee-dee-dee-dee, da-da-da-da-da, yeah, we're happy. Da-da-da, dee-da-da-dee-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da, right on,
All the things I can do in summer, I swim or fish or I go for a drive. The whole wide world will come alive in summer, walking with the boys, talking with the girls, laughing in summer. A true love or a summer affair, no one knows and nobody cares in summer, walking with the boys, talking with the girls, laughing with the boys and kissing all the girls in summer. Red Chevrolet, needed time for some thinking. I was just walking by when I looked in her eye, and I swore it was winking. She was 31 and I was 17. I knew nothing about love, she knew everything. But I sat down beside her on a front porch swing, wondered what the coming night would bring. Some loving had me a blast. Some loving had me so fast. I met a girl crazy for me. Summer days drifting away, I never set my the sun, summer's begun, but the summer nights. Tell me more, tell me more. Put up a fight. Rolling in the arcade. Get out under the we'd still be friends.
Then we made our true love vows.
Wonder what she's doing now. Summer days, reflecting.
Hi everybody, this is Jet Truvada. Summer songs. Cliff Richard, Summer Holiday, Mungo Jerry in the Summertime, Eddie Cochran, Summertime Blues, Billy Fury in Summer, Bobby Goldsboro and Summer the First Time, and Olivia Newton-John and John Travolta in Summer Nights. And later on...
They come over beautiful, all them groups up there.
Who were your favourites, Sid?
All them stairs, I like the girl who,
All them stairs.
what's his, the girl who used to be in a duo,
Kiki D.
He was in the I Can Turn a Corner a while back. I like the two boys, I like, what's his name, Phil Collins, they're all good boys, they've done well, they have.
Well, it's nice of you to say, Sid. I think so too.
I think you should give them a bit more credit on the air, boys.
Okay, we will, Sid.
I've got up the 4 short charge companies today, so I'm going to have to cut the lawn.
Okay, can I reach you today?
Oh, yes, you can. Yes, you can. You certainly can.
Have you got the number?
Who?
Have you got the number?
Reach me today if you like.
Hello?
Hello? Who? I wasn't playing wicked God. That was never there all night.
is considering a major assault on the British market. Now, this will really shake up some of the other dailies and weeklies already on sale that borrow stories from said publication. Oh, naughty! Including me. There is also some discussion in this week's Media Trade magazine about the possibilities of morning time television. Now, you may have read about this, a bit of a panic about it, so morning time television could be on the way.
The Radio 1 Roadshow.
Well, next week it's my turn for a week out on the road with the Radio 1 Roadshow. I'll be visiting Southport, Blackpool, Bowlersong, Windermere, Morecambe and Douglas in the Isle of Man. On stage at 10, on the air at 11. So bring your knotted hankers along to the Roadshow with me, Bruno, next week.
Hello everybody, I'm Bert Reynolds. Thank you for watching all my movies.
Thank you, Bert.
The UK's favorite radio.
Swaying room as the music starts, strangers making the most of the dark. Two by two their bodies become one. Every breath comes deeper into you. We two are standing still in time. If you read my mind, see I'm crazy for you. Catch me once and you know it's true. I never wanted anyone like this. It's so brand new. You're feeling in my kiss. You're feeling in my kiss because I'm crazy for you. Catch me once and you know I'm crazy.
If you'd like to nominate a Sunday morning hero, we have a little statuette for you. If your letter is read out, then the address is Sunday Morning Heroes, Steve Wright Sunday Morning, BBC Radio 1, London W1A4WW. Tell us about your hero, your macho man. We're going to do a special one today, though. Before we do that, I'm giving you the names and situations from American TV series that have been inspired by British TV series. You have to name the original series. 1. This show was set in a downtown garage in the Spanish Quarter of... Telephone number is still open, 018186800, 018186800. The national total so far...